This video reviews a new feature in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5 that allows us to specify an application group during host pool creation. Many organizations strive to adhere to a naming standard when creating resources. Nerdio has made that goal easier with a new feature that allows us to specify an application group name when we create a host pool. Now, if we create a host pool, we have the same settings as before, with an additional option at the bottom of the page for app group settings. From here, we can set the name of our application group to match existing naming standards. That is how to specify an app group name during host pool creation in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5.